establish a powerful online presence, and achieve a high search engine ranking. Technical SEO involves aligning your website with search engine standards for better crawlability and indexing. Conducting a technical SEO audit is crucial to evaluate your website's current SEO status and pinpoint areas needing improvement for a seamless online experience. The first step to improving your search experience is technical SEO. An ideal user experience is the main goal that drives algorithmic adjustments. To do this, you must have a thorough understanding of technical SEO, including what it means and how to use SEO technical audit to make sure your website complies with industry standards and search engine rules. Get top search engine rankings through our powerful technical SEO strategy that includes submitting a crawling error report, get rid of duplicate material, verifying HTTPS status codes, making a sitemap in XML, speed optimization, making use of robots.txt, making a website mobile friendly, auditing reroutes, and many more services are included. Online success for WordPress and other CMS depends on technical SEO. You can identify website problems, take quick action to fix them, and make sure all SEO components are operating correctly when you have the correct technical optimization SEO plan in place. Select the Mninder Show as your results-driven technical SEO firm to boost your technical SEO and rank high in search engines.